U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. defended billions of dollars in cuts and thousands of firings at the department he runs during congressional testimony Wednesday. Democratic Representative Rosa DeLauro questioned him about the budget for the National Institutes of Health after the administration last week proposed to cut it by $18 billion.
The 2024 budget includes the funding for the NIH. Will you commit to spending the money that is in 2024 in that budget?
As I said, Ranking Member, if you appropriate the money, I'm going to spend that money.
The money has been appropriated. So the answer to that is if you're not willing to accept the funds that have been lawfully voted by members of the House and Senate on the money for the National Institutes of Health. We're going to hold you to your word that that funding is there.
Kennedy has slashed 10,000 jobs, including at the FDA, CDC, and NIH. He said his top priorities as health secretary include identifying the environmental contributors to autism and tackling rising rates of chronic disease. He has drawn condemnation from health officials for what they say is a weak endorsement of measles shots during an outbreak that has infected more than 1,000 mostly unvaccinated people and killed 3. Democratic Representative Mark Pocan asked him about his current view.
If you had a child today, would you vaccinate that child for measles?
For measles, probably for measles. What I would say is my opinions about vaccines are irrelevant